Welcome to M&M Tool and Machinery. I'm Amy from mmtoolparts.com. Today we're going to have Jamie, one of our in-house repair technicians, show you a couple repairs on a 2-stroke Makita concrete saw.
Hi, I'm Jamie, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your carburetor out on a typical two-cycle engine. And today we'll be taking one out of the Makita gas 2-stroke saw. Here's our typical carburetor. We'll flip this over. Take your handy T27 Torx wrench. There's your gaskets. Most likely will need to be replaced. This is just a cushion for where it hits on there. And we'll get that out of the way. So here's the bottom end of the carburetor. Here is your fuel bowl, a little cruddy in there, and your gasket. Most of the time these will come off without ripping. And our gasket's really clean, and this is actually fairly clean. Areas you're going to want to concentrate on are the screen, and then just making sure this is all cleaned out, which that rarely clogs. But that's really all there is on the bottom side. Then we'll flip it over and we'll do the top side where the actual fuel pump is. That is the diaphragm that pumps fuel into the carburetor. Just a rubber. When it runs, it just pumps it back and forth. And this little nub, you can see the groove in that nub has to slide into that little slot, and that opens up the fuel jet. Two points to be highly concerned about, what causes a lot of problems, is this jet right here. You need to get something with a fine point on it. You can even use an old wire bread tie. Just strip the plastic off. But you want to get in there and give it a good clean out. And then same with this one over here. You just get in there, give it a little dig. These are the two most common points where carburetors fail. Just dig a couple of them out, but that's really going to be it. And then you would want to spray just a little bit, just a little carburetor cleaner in there. That'll dissolve pretty near anything that's in there. Work it in a little bit, and then just wipe up any excess. Same with the other side. Just squirt a little bit. You shouldn't need any more than that at all, even on these things that have been sitting for a year in your shed. Now we'll start on this end. Make sure you line up your gasket. You got a pin there and a pin there, and you got to get that hooked back on your fuel valve. Usually just push it in and slide it. Put the top back on. You want to line up all your gaskets. Put our rubber spacer back in there, and we'll utilize that gasket. And then we just go back in as it came out. That's really all there is to cleaning out a 2-cycle carburetor.
For more videos like this, you can visit us at mmtoolparts.com, where you'll find schematics for the parts that you need in order to repair your tool. For comments or questions, please leave that below. Thank you.